What is your name?
My name is Parnika.
What is your father name?
My father name is Nagendra.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Maiswari.
When do you get up?
I get up and sit sofa.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
5 కదా నీకు ఇప్పుడు 5 years old అనాలా.
5 years old.
What is your school name?
Our school
is అనాలా.
Our school is KBG English Medium School.
Where is your school?
Our school is Ippadakalla.
How do you come to school? How do you come to school?
By bus.
I come to school. చెప్పాలి పూర్తిగా.
By bus.
Who is your headmaster?
Today sir is our headmaster.
Who is your class teacher?
Nasamma madam is our class teacher.
Which is your national bird?
Peacock is our national bird.
Which is your national animal?
Tiger is our national animal.
Which is your national flower?
Lotus is our national flower.
Which is your national fruit?
Mango is our national fruit.
Which is your national emblem?
Lion's capital is our national emblem.
Which is your national song?
Bandem is our national song.
Which is your national country?
India is my country.
Which is your national anthem?
Janaganamana is our national anthem.
Which is your national tree?
Banyan tea is our national tree.
Which is your national festival?
Deepali is our national festival.
Which is our national game?
Hockey is our national game.
Who is your CM?
Jagannath Reddy is our CM.
Who is the Prime Minister? Prime Minister.
Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister.
Who is the President?
Draupadi is our President.
Where do you live?
I live in my Padkala.
How many directions are there?
There are 4 directions: east, west, north, south.
How many sense organs are there?
There are
There are 5 sense organs.
5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin.
How many days are there in a week?
There are
There are
7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
How many months are there in a year?
There are 12 months in year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
How do you see?
I see with my eyes.
How do you smell?
I smell with my nose.
How do you taste?
I taste with my tongue.
How do you hear?
I hear with my ear.
How do you work?
I walk with my hand. I walk with my hand.
How do you walk?
I walk with my leg.
How many fingers have you?
I have
Anala. I have.
10 fingers.
Which color light do you?
I love.
Who is your best friend?
My is Hushi.
Hushina.
My best friend is Harshini.
హర్షినేనా. నెక్స్ట్ తెలుగు జీకే క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతా, ఓకేనా? తెలుగు నెలలు ఎన్ని అవి?
12 చైత్రం,
వైశాఖం, జ్యేష్టం,
ఆషాఢం, శ్రావణం, భాద్రపదం, అశ్వితం, కార్తీకం, మార్గశిర, మార్గం, ఫల్గుణం.
ఋతువులు ఎన్ని అవి?
6 వరంట, వర్షాలు,
హేమంత ఋతువు.
ఋషి
ఎన్ని అవి? రాశులు ఎన్ని అవి?
రాసులు
రాశులు 12.
మేషం వృషభం సింహం
మిథునం.
మిథునం కర్కాటకం సింహం కన్యా తులా వృశ్చికం ధనుసు మకరం కుంభం మీనం.
తిథులు ఎన్ని అవి ఏవి?
విధులు 6
తిథులు 16 అనాలి.
విధులు 16 వసంత
పాడ్యమి,
భాగ్యమి విరియ గదియ
తిదియ,
తిరియ గదియ సప్తమి పంచమి షష్ఠి సప్తమి దశమి ఏకాదశి
నవమి,
నవమి దశమి ద్వాదశి
ద్వాదశి,
ద్వాదశి త్రయోదశి ద్వాదశి
చతుర్దశి,
చతుర్దశి
పౌర్ణమి,
పౌర్ణమి అమావాస్య